In Judge C.R. Magny State Park in northern Minnesota, along the Brule River, lies a natural phenomenon that has puzzled scientists, captivated tourists, and inspired local legends: the mysterious Devil's Kettle. This intriguing waterfall, renowned for its extraordinary behavior, features a section where half of the river plunges dramatically into a large pothole, seemingly disappearing without a trace. For decades, this curious geological formation has been a subject of speculation, investigation, and folklore, geographical context, and formation. The Devil's Kettle is located within the rugged terrain of Minnesota's North Shore region, known for its thick forests, rocky outcroppings, and the turbulent waters of Lake Superior. Here, the Brule River dramatically splits into two streams at a volcanic rock outcropping. One side cascades 50 feet down a traditional waterfall, while the other mysteriously drops into a large, dark pothole, aptly named the Devil's Kettle, seemingly swallowing the water without any visible exit or reconnection downstream. The pothole itself is believed to have been formed thousands of years ago by the relentless power of glacial meltwater, which sculpted the hard volcanic rock through persistent erosion. Such geological features, known as glacial potholes, are common in the region, but what sets the Devil's Kettle apart is its seemingly bottomless nature and the unexplained disappearance of the water. Early observations and folklore. The Devil's Kettle has long intrigued local residents and visitors alike. The absence of a visible exit point downstream gave rise to numerous theories and legends. Early observers speculated about secret underground rivers, extensive subterranean caverns, or even supernatural explanations, hence its diabolical name. These local stories fueled curiosity, making the site a popular attraction and an enduring mystery in local culture. Scientific investigations and experiments. Scientists and explorers have undertaken various experiments to understand precisely where the water vanishes. In attempts to track the elusive path, researchers have tossed colored dyes, buoyant objects, ping-pong balls, and other markers into the kettle's vortex, hoping to identify their exit point downstream or within Lake Superior. Surprisingly, none of these items reappeared downstream, further deepening the mystery and feeding public curiosity. Hydrologists initially speculated that the water might resurface at another location along the river, or perhaps even directly into Lake Superior, hidden underwater or obscured by dense vegetation. Yet, extensive searches and observations failed to confirm such hypotheses. This apparent failure of scientific methodology to resolve the question intensified the enigma surrounding the Devil's Kettle. Geological hypotheses. Despite early inconclusive results, modern geological and hydrological research suggests more plausible explanations. Geological studies propose that the Devil's Kettle water re-enters the river shortly after disappearing through hidden underground fissures or porous rock formations. Rather than traveling great distances through mysterious underground caves, the water likely rejoins the river subtly, dispersing beneath the surface gravel and re-emerging relatively close downstream, effectively disguised by the surrounding environment. Researchers point out that the terrain beneath the riverbed consists of fractured volcanic basalt and rhyolite rock formations, highly permeable materials that can facilitate water flow beneath the visible riverbed. This geological context strongly supports the theory that the water disperses and rejoins the river without noticeable detection. Confirmation by modern technology. In 2017, the Minnesota Department of Natural Resources undertook detailed measurements to demystify the Devil's Kettle once and for all. Using sophisticated stream gauging technology, researchers carefully compared the volume of water upstream and downstream of the falls. They conclusively demonstrated that the water volume remained consistent, indicating that no significant volume of water permanently vanished underground or diverted elsewhere. This empirical evidence supported the hypothesis that the Devil's Kettle water quickly rejoins the main river channel underground through porous bedrock, effectively debunking more fantastic theories of underground lakes or hidden passages to Lake Superior. Cultural impact and tourism. Despite these scientific explanations, the Devil's Kettle maintains a significant cultural and tourism appeal. Its intriguing nature continues to attract numerous visitors eager to witness the mysterious disappearance firsthand. Hiking trails, viewing platforms, and interpretive signage in Judge C.R. Magny State Park accommodate tourists who travel specifically to see and ponder this natural phenomenon. The site's continued allure illustrates humanity's profound fascination with mysteries and anomalies, even when scientifically resolved. The enduring curiosity about the Devil's Kettle exemplifies our collective desire to explore and understand the natural world's peculiarities. Environmental and conservation considerations. As a popular natural attraction, the Devil's Kettle also presents ongoing environmental and conservation challenges. Increased tourist traffic necessitates careful management to protect the surrounding ecosystem from erosion, pollution, and habitat disruption. Conservation efforts focus on sustainable tourism practices, maintenance of trails, and educational initiatives to ensure visitors respect and preserve the natural beauty and integrity of the site. Park officials emphasize ecological responsibility and educational outreach, informing visitors about the scientific realities behind the phenomenon and encouraging environmentally friendly behaviors. Reflection and broader significance. Ultimately, the Devil's Kettle serves as an intriguing case study in human curiosity, the interplay between folklore and science, and the relentless pursuit of understanding natural phenomena. The kettle's enduring mystery highlights the dynamic tension between scientific explanation and cultural narrative, illustrating how both scientific inquiry and storytelling shape our perceptions of the natural world. While modern science may have unraveled the geological secrets behind the Devil's Kettle, its cultural resonance continues to capture the imagination of generations. It remains a poignant reminder of nature's capacity for wonder, sparking exploration, imagination, and reflection on our planet's diverse geological marvels.